everybody, today it's a beautiful day and we make something, it's for the garden, but not my garden. Some of my, but Escarole I was go by the farm, it's really fresh Escarole. This is my tomato, it's not really red, but it's nice. I cut already everything, I take the skin out. And I want to use a little sauce. I got over here my oil baby, the hot pepper from my garden. And I got onion and garlic to use everything. Now when you do the escarole, make sure to wash the leaves, you got a lot of sand. But wash really, really good. And after, see, I've drained the water, and this is a nice white escarole, it's everything nice clean. Now, the start, we gotta go on the stove. And I bring everything right over here. Oh, before we start, I gotta chop my garlic, okay? I got the onion, the pepper, and the garlic over here. E tirarezza. The garlic, you know, gotta be really, really thin, okay, you know, with escarole. And now we got the onion. It's okay, the onion is good for the escarole.
Welcome Cynthia, she's watching first time.
Thank you very much. Okay, now we put everything in this little bowl over here. Okay, good. Now I cut a little pepper. It smells strong. Okay, wait a minute, I gotta cut my tomato too. I want to chop a little bit. This tomato smells so good, fresh. Good.
Yeah, it's your baby hot pepper, yes.
Yes. Okay, let me wash my hand. Okay.
How you call this pepper?
It's the Italian long hot pepper. Okay, now we can go on the stove. And before I start, I don't want to forget this for everybody. Today it's a beautiful day, maybe people do barbecue outside, maybe drink a beer or you drink a wine. Salute, cin cin ad everybody, and thank you very much for the stuff, for your support. Thank you. Salute! Okay, now for start, I got this spot over here for the gas on, and oil. Okay, good. Now, the water boil. Yeah, salt already. And I got the escarole. And we put the escarole. This escarole I boil But 6 to 7 minutes when you start to boil everything. Okay, this is done. And we give a little push it down. All right, now this you gotta boil. And now we got everything over here, garlic, onion, and the pepper. Ok. Now I got a chicken stock over here I gotta use, and this is my beans. And look, this I cook my beans by myself. Look how beautiful it look. Oh, look at it smells so really good. All right, we little cook now. Like this is Escarole. Torna sorrienda.
Can you use canned beans?
Cannellini beans.
Can, from the can.
No, I know.
If you can use.
Well, yeah, you can use it with the can, but but make sure the wash really good because you got that water. It's really thick. You can use the can. It's no problem. Okay. Now the garlic and the onion, gotta be nice white. Cause escarola, want to change color of this. We caramelize really good the onion and the garlic and the pepper, the fresh hot pepper.
Yeah, he soaked overnight the beans, yes.
Okay, now. All right.
Hello, everybody.
Now we got the tomato.
Can you say again what kind of pepper you have?
It's the Italian long hot pepper. It's really hot. This one I got. It's hot.
Yeah, you can use it flakes instead, yes.
Yes, you can use a flake pepper. You can use any kind of the hot pepper. But I use this one I got in my garden. It's that long. It's almost 1 feet long. Okay, now the tomato start to boil and I got this little sauce over here and we put it together. Okay, now I gotta use, let me take some of the spoon over here. Okay.
Well, you can use the skin if you like. We always prefer to take out the skin.
Now, I want to say something about the tomato, the skin of the tomato. Okay, I want to say salute e cincin everybody. Thank you very much for the stuff. Salute. It's okay, you can leave the skin for the tomato, but you got a kids. Anyone can eat the tomato like this. But a lot of time, the skin, it can be stuck on your throat. And you can be choked with the skin. It's why I take out. Okay, now the escarole, now we put it together with the sauce I did it. And I want to make it really close. I turn off this. I don't want to burn it by myself with the gas on. And now we drain the escarole.
We have white version also. You can check on YouTube or OrsaraRecipes.
Yes, I was making both the sauce and white.
Jackie, she made just on Friday the same thing.
Okay, good. Okay. Più belle. All right. Now, what I do, I put a little salt, not too much salt. I got the chicken stock, it's salt, and I was boiling the escarole with the salt. But you need a little one for the tomato. And I put like this. It's enough. And I like to put a little black pepper.
What music you using?
The music, it's a friend of mine from Italy. He was in Torino. It's Beppe Cuomo. Okay, now we load the gas.
Please go to OrsaraRecipes, then have written recipes.
Okay, now I like to pour little chicken stock.
No, it's not from the garden. It's kosher salt.
Okay, now this you gotta boil about 10 minutes. I want to move this right over here in the back. Yeah, I got the beans. All right, and now
It's a little bitter escarole, bitter taste.
yeah, but it's really, really good escarole beans. This, when I was in Italy, we was eating so many escarole beans. It was delicious, especially when we was going to farm. We work on a farm and we pick up the escarole, pick up fresh beans, and we was eating the farm. Salute e cincin everybody, and thank you very much for the stuff. Salute. And when this you make on a farm, it's so delicious. Everybody got to sit in that. You sit on a stone, on a brick, something, and you eat. Everybody run around, and we eat this, and we put bread inside, everything.
How long the beans was cooked?
The beans, one time you you put a soak at night time and day you cook. If hour this it's cook. The beans it's cook fast.
Looks so good.
Now, a lot of people ask me, Pasquale, the place you live in Italy, yes, it's on top of the mountain. And I told, I like this. Maybe a lot of people don't like. For me, the best thing, you go on vacation, it's beautiful. Go and look big city. You want to go look Rome, Firenze, Naples, every place. But so you want to stay on the mountain. It's a nice fresh air. It's the place I live. I like a small city. If you take the car and you go any place you want. But nighttime in my city, everybody sit on the street. The police stop the car to go on the main road. Cause the bar and the restaurant is served you right on the street, 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. It's so beautiful.
Adele, she's watching you.
Oh, Adele, bonjour, ça va? Ici, tout ça va bien, Adele. Okay. Now, I want to take a little dish and I want to taste the sauce. Goppiandia piniculi pinicula.
Hello, Bill.
Hello, Bill.
He's from South Italy, Orsara di Puglia.
Orsara, we dance every single night. We was dance, especially when there was no lights. The lights when he was to go out in the winter time, he gotta stay a month before the lights he come back. Yeah.
Giovanni is watching you too.
Hey Giovanni, ça va la France? Ici ça va très bien. Et à la santé, salut et cincin à tout le monde. À la France, à la famille, à tout. I also speak a little French because my nephew, he look, and he got a restaurant in France, in Douai. He got a beautiful bar, a restaurant. Go see my nephew over there. Giovanni Sciarappa. Salute cincin Giovanni.
Hello.
A tu.
Hello, Aram.
Hello Aram. Salute cincin. Thank you very much for your support and thank you very much for the star. Salute cincin. And now the beans, it's ready and we can cook and eat. Okay. Thank you very much for everybody and we see you again. Thank you. Salute e cincin. And thank you for the star. Salute.